is so cute. Ah! Sadness, you scared me. What are you doing in my room?
Joy, I wish I had a cool room like yours.
Well, Sadness, we're redesigning the Mind Control Center. We can help you design your own room.
Really? I would love my own room.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nat and Essie. Today we are going to make a custom DIY room for Sadness. Last week we made this custom room for Joy, and we're going to do the same for Sadness. Her colors are blue tones, so we're going to start the room off with a blue base. We want to add a desk, a sleeping area, and maybe some spooky things for Sadness. So where to start? We want to get started with the foundation of her room. Since Sadness likes the color blue, we're going to start with a blue foundation for her bedroom. We can build up a white wall and add some drawers over to the side like this. Carefully opening up this door, I can place 2 soda cans inside. Whoa! And one more. And now I can put a tabletop on over the top of this. Over in this corner, we're going to add a little frog. It's kind of an accent piece to her room. What do you think so far? A little game controller. And add another shelf is Ennui ever wants to come over and hang out with our friend Sadness. And now let's extend the back patio of this room. We need to make a sleeping area. So we're extending this piece to the back, adding some accent pieces, and a little window right here. A modern room has a big, giant window, and we'll put a pillar off to the side right here. This is starting to look so cool. Look, we can see Joy's room through there, and then we've got our window right here in the front. I built another wall, and I'm adding a picture of Riley for Sadness. Now Riley can always see, now Sadness can always see Riley. This piece will fit perfectly right here where we're going to build the bed. There's pieces all the way up, and we've got our nice blue wall. The next wall we can add a little bookshelf to the top and carefully place it right here and build this corner up to be the coolest little sleeping corner. Next, I'm going to increase the size of the wall. And over on this side, we're going to add some purple accents. Let's spin it around, add one more blue, and start building upwards. At the very top, I'm going to add yellow. Add a little bit of brightness to Sadness's life with a super neon yellow. Now we have the back wall to her room complete. What do you guys think? Sadness's room is coming along just perfect. I added this bookshelf, and I'm going to place it right here on the inside. Let's see. It will slide right in here, and it's like a secret door. I can pull it out, and we can see the picture of Riley, and I can push it in, and nobody knows that Riley is there. It just looks like a normal wall. But ready? Oh, it's Riley! Next, I've got this here. It's going to be a control center in her own bedroom. We can always keep an eye on Riley, we've got our desktop, and we can add this to the corner here, so even when Sadness is in her room, we always have an eye on our Riley. The next part of the room is building all of the accessories, like a bed and a stand, everything that goes into a room. I'm going to go ahead and take this piece here, put a top piece on, and make the backboard of my bed. And then I'm going to add this small piece to the front. and a little dot. To make the movable frame for the bed, I'm going to add this piece and some connectors. There's 1 and 2. We've got the backboard here, and we'll add a little base. So far it's starting to look like a really nice room. A miniature control center, and we can come over and we're working on the bed. Check it out. It's got turquoise sheets, a light blue pillow, we've got the little attachment, and we can add it right here. And now the bed can go up and down. This room I want to have. And then we've got our secret picture right there of Riley. This room is amazing. Since Joy got a pet, Sadness wants a pet. We've got paws, a biscuit, and some water. What type of pet do you think Sadness picked out? Ruff, ruff! That's right. Sadness has a little puppy. Ruff, 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 ruff. Aww, the puppy's waiting for her to come back from the mind control center. Ruff, ruff. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. But the bed's not complete, and it's not made until we put on the sheets. We can add some fun accessories to the room, like a statue, Sadness's secret singing talent, and her love for movies. That can be added above her bed. And Sadness loves all things sad, so let's add something sad to her room. This is how we're going to build the base of a chair that will go in her own bedroom. We're going to go and put this right in front of the computer, right here, and build a chair system around this. We're also going to add a second one and put it right here. We'll put like a little footrest on this side, and our purple gaming chair can go over here on this side. That's looking so good. At this point, I think we finished the room, and then we can have the tool shop area off to the side, but the main area is closed. She can just work from her own bedroom in peace and silence, like a Sadness character. Now let's have a quick overview of everything. We've got a puppy and all the things she loves, including a secret Riley picture. We've got her headquarters in her own room so she can work in peace. And she's got a fixing station so she can fix things in the mind control center. Wow, this room is super cozy. Oh, I'm gonna take a nap. This is great. Thanks everyone. This was so nice of you.